Okay, I am here doing some more ratios, proportions, units, and percentage rates. This is from my SAT book. So we have an architect drawing that's got a floor plan for a house which represents 1 inch for every 3 feet that they have. And the room's floor plan is represented by a rectangle that has length of 3.5 inches by 5 inches. We're looking for what the actual area of the room is. And so we have these answers for square feet. So what I am going to start off with, this is what I've got. A nice 1 inch for every 3 feet. I have my little quick drawing just so you can see the visual. And so basically what I am doing is if I have every 1 inch, I have 3 feet. If I look at this one, nice easy numbers, because this has a fraction, it's a decimal, so we're not going to deal with that right now. But 1 inch to 5 inches is a representation of 5 times larger. So what I'm going to do is just basically just times this number times the inches that I have here, and that's going to tell me what the representation of feet is. So 1 times 5 is going to give me 5. So now all I'm going to do is do the same thing down in the denominator. 3 times 5 means that this size is actually a total size of 3 times 5 feet, which is going to be 15 feet on this size. Now we're going to do the same thing on the bottom, or not the bottom, but the other piece. So this is 3.5 inches. So how do I get from 1 inch to 3.5? I have to times that by 3.5 or 3.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to say 3.5 times that 3 feet, and I'm going to end up with a total value of 15.5 feet. So if you look at that, then we're doing the area, 15 feet times 10.5 feet ends up giving me a total area of 157.5 feet squared. So when I'm looking at my options here, the only one that makes sense is D, and that is your finalized answer. And if you want more questions like this, you can like, follow, share for more at any of my social medias at YouWantAlgebra, located in either TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Thanks so much.